A water heater that fails to keep water hot for long may be due to several reasons, including improper installation, thermal expansion, or anode rod deterioration. To fix these issues, it is essential to first check for installation problems, ensuring the unit is correctly sized for the household's needs, securely mounted, and all connections are tight. Additionally, the pressure relief valve should be functional, and the venting system properly installed to prevent leaks and ensure efficient operation. If thermal expansion is the cause, installing a thermal expansion tank on the cold water line can absorb excess pressure caused by heated water, preventing leaks and damage. In cases of anode rod deterioration, simply turning off the water heater, draining some water, and replacing the old rod with a new one by wrapping Teflon tape around the new rod's threads and installing it with a socket wrench can prevent tank corrosion and extend the water heater's life. By addressing these common problems, a water heater's lifespan can be significantly improved.